Hello, I'm Ms. Thandore. I'm concerned with chemistry. Welcome to this online session. Today we are going to start with the topic aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. The weightage given for this topic is of 7 marks with option and 5 marks without option. So let us see why we are going to study all the three compounds together: aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So these three compound contains CO group, that is a carbonyl group in their functional group, and as carbonyl group is common, their methods of preparation and properties of all the three compounds are similar to each other. Let us see aldehydes. In case of aldehydes, your carbonyl group is attached with one alkyl group and one hydrogen atom. In case of formaldehyde, your carbonyl group is attached with two hydrogen atoms, and in case of aromatic aldehyde, your carbonyl group is attached with one aromatic ring and one hydrogen atom. In case of ketones, your carbonyl group is attached with two alkyl or two aryl groups. These groups may be same or different one, and depending upon difference in their alkyl group, they are classified again into two types. That we'll see later. By the time you remember that the CO group, carbonyl group, in case of ketones is attached with two alkyl or two aryl groups, which are maybe same or different one. Then the next is your carboxylic acids. In carboxylic acids, this carbonyl group or CO group is attached with one alkyl group and one hydroxyl group in case of aliphatic carboxylic acid. In case of aromatic compound, the CO group or carbonyl group is attached with one aromatic ring and hydroxyl group. So in case of aldehydes, the functional group present is a CHO group. This is well familiar to you, formyl group or aldehyde group. Then in case of ketone, the functional group present is C double bond O group. This is your oxo group, or this is also called as a carbonyl group. And in case of carboxylic acid, your functional group is COOH group. The name of this group is carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. So these are the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid containing carbonyl group as a common group in their functional group. Aldehyde contains CHO group, ketones contains oxo or carbonyl groups, that is CO group, and carboxylic acid contains COOH group. So let us see each compound one by one here. We'll take first aldehydes. In case of aldehydes, these are the first oxidation product of primary alcohol. So aldehydes are considered as first oxidation product of primary alcohols. Question may be, what are aldehydes? So just you are supposed to write that aldehydes are first oxidation product of primary alcohols. Now you are well familiar with the oxidation reaction also. What are primary alcohols is also well known to you. So what is oxidation? Oxidation is nothing but just it is an addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, or on the basis of electronic concept, it is a loss of electron process. What is a primary alcohol? Primary alcohol, that means the hydroxyl group is attached to primary carbon atom. What is a primary carbon atom? Again, primary carbon atom is that carbon atom which is attached with only one another carbon atom. So when primary alcohols are oxidized, then in that case, two hydrogen atoms are removed and you will get corresponding aldehyde. You will get corresponding aldehydes here. So the general formula of aldehyde is RCHO. The general molecular formula is CnH2nO, where N is number of carbon atoms. So let us see how to find out from the general molecular formula, how to find out actual molecular formula and also structure of the particular compound. So when one carbon atom is present, then according to formula CnH2nO, it is N number of carbon atoms. One carbon atom is present, so it is a C1, then H, 2 into 1 O. Overall formula is CH2O. Then to find out here structural formula, only one carbon atom is there, so write one carbon atom. It contains aldehyde group, so carbon atom is attached with one hydrogen atom by single covalent bond and one oxygen atom by double bond. If you consider carbon atom, carbon is tetravalent, again you are well familiar. So in case of carbon atom, already 3 valencies are gone, double bond and also one more covalent bond with hydrogen. So 3 valencies are gone, only one valency is left behind. So put here one hydrogen atom. So overall the formula is HCHO, formaldehyde. We'll take one more compound in which number of carbon atoms is equal to 2. When 2 carbon atoms are present, you put number of carbon atoms in the formula CnH2nO, so it is your C2, then 2 2s are 4, so it is your C2H4O. Now here 2 carbon atoms are present, so you can write 2 carbon atoms in a straight chain. It is aldehyde, so obviously CHO group is present in aldehyde, CHO. If you consider first carbon atom, already 4 valencies are gone, so no need of hydrogen atom. Then next carbon atom, only one valency is gone and remaining 3 valencies are left behind. So put 3 hydrogen atoms here. So to satisfy all the 4 valencies of this carbon atom, and hence the structure or hence the formula is CH3CHO. It is acetaldehyde. So this is about the aldehyde. Now we will go for ketones.